Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Well, today I'm going to show you all how to properly patch a tire with a tire plug. Now, if you take your tire to a shop like mine, I won't be putting one of these in here. I'll be putting an actual plug, a seal patch from the inside of the tire. But for 99.9% of my viewers here, you're do-it-yourselfers. And in order to do this yourself, you just need to go down and get this. This one came from Harbor Freight, but it's so old, it's not even branded. I mean, it's been sitting in the back of many cars that I've owned. However, I think Walmart sells them. Every parts store is going to have them. It's just a tire plug kit, right? So the first thing you want to do, you don't have to take the tire off your car, but you'll need to roll it around to find out where your leak is coming from. Most of the time, hopefully, you can hear that. That's going to be an audio issue. Well, sometimes you'll be able to see that there's actually something sticking out of there. Whatever it is, you're going to want to find it. You're going to want to pull it off. If you can't find it, that leak is so small, it's best left for a soapy water solution. Spray that tire down with soapy water and look for bubbles. However, in this case, I can hear it leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'll talk to you about the tools as I go. First tool we have is this one. This is going to create our hole. It's going to make it larger. And you're just going to want to, now this, you want to have this thing inflated. It's going to make it a lot easier to get through all the bands and belts of this tire. But you're just going to kind of work it in there. All right, once you've got this pushed out enough, all right, time to switch over to these. And we're going to try to get one of these out of the package. These are really sticky. See how it has like a fish hook? And we're just going to put that right in the center. So it's about even. And then when we push that in there, and we pull back, it will slide out the front and the plug stays. So when you're ready, and again, if the tire is completely flat, this will be very difficult. But with this one, we still have some air left in it. We'll go ahead and pull that out, line it up, and push. And it ain't easy. Yeah, a little bit more. There we go. There we go. All right, hopefully y'all can see that. Got about an inch, maybe a little less, sticking back out. I'd go maybe just a smidge more, but I'm not going to go much. There. All right, then pull real hard. Patch stays. Again, we can listen for a leak. I'm not hearing anything. And then I just take a razor or a knife of some sort, kind of trim that off, kind of get it, you don't have to be perfect, but kind of get it close to flush. And if you don't have a knife, that's okay too. These things will just kind of work themselves flat as you roll down the road. But there you go. Hopefully you can see that. All right. Now let me fill this thing back up with air and we'll verify that it's fixed. All right, so there we are right there. And I don't have any soapy water mixed up because it's winter, but I can put that on there and see the bubbles. That's just Windex, right? And if we still had a leak here, we would see bubbles forming, little ones, big ones, some kind of indication the air was leaking out of here. I am not seeing anything, which is exactly what I want to see. Well, that's it. Not a very long video, but hopefully if you've never plugged a tire before, now you feel comfortable doing it. It is really easy. A kit like this costs, even with hyperinflation, I'd say less than 10 bucks for something like this. I paid $3.99 the last time I bought one of these. I bought it at Walmart for a car. We were on vacation, and I got a nail that I picked up. Obviously, the best way to go about doing this is you find a nail sticking out and you know you need to plug it. You can do this stuff in a nice environment, but you could also do it in a parking lot. As long as there's some air still in the tire, plug it, limp it over to the next gas station and get it filled back up with air and you're good to go. If it's completely flat, you're gonna have to pull that tire off and get some air into it. Now, some of y'all might carry little 12-volt inflators. Those work awesome for emergencies like this. A lot of modern cars don't even carry spare tires, so they should have an inflator built in if they don't. So invest in a little tire plug kit, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, maybe you'll think about liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Take care.